Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2017 Hot Wheels. Today I'm here with my daughter Julia. Hello Julia.
Hello.
And we're going to open up this Fairlady 2000. Legends of Speed. Says it's best for track. And there's your 2017 right there. This is number 22 of 365 on the year. Let's get it out of the package. Wait, what are the Legends of Speed? Legends, champions, and record breakers from the past and the present. It's a cool little car, huh, Jules?
Yeah.
It does have some weight to it. All the yellow, that light yellow that you're looking at, is metal. It's got that little white dot where the number goes. Right there's another white dot, another one there. We had a black dot one last time. Cool looking ride. Yokohama on the hood. All four wheels roll well. Looks like a nice little rally car. Plastic bottom and made in Malaysia. Let's see how this guy rolls. Woohoo!
Almost a backpack.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Woohoo! Ah, hold on, I'll let you try it. There you go, you try. What? What happened? Try it again.
Okay.
Faster!
I don't know faster I might
Right.
get off.
There you go. Nice.
Fun.
Even for a 6-year-old, huh? He rolls straight. Drifting, you ready to drift? Nice, good job. Sweet. Spin it faster. Haha. All right, ready? The drift. Yeah. Wipe out. Nice donuts. Oh. Well, thanks for playing with me, Julia.
Uh-huh. It was fun.
Thank you to everybody that tuned in and watched. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.
Bye.
Hi, Julia. Thanks for helping.
Uh-huh.
T10 out.
Bye.